This short film is about the two important blue ecosystems via mangrove and coral reefs. Coral reefs are the rainforest of the marine ecosystem, while mangroves are amphibious transitional forest between the land and sea. Its ecological services, threats, restoration, and its importance in combating coastal disasters and climate change. These two ecosystems are ecological sensitive, having diverse flora and fauna acting as a nursing and breeding grounds for fishes, mollusks, crustaceans. Services. A. Regulatory functions. Moderating temperature, maintaining the quality of water, trapping sediments, carbon sequestration, bioshield against cyclones, tsunamis, and storm surges. B. Consumptive services. Food, therapeutics, drugs, etc. C. Non-consumptive services. Aesthetic beauty, research, education, etc. Since the mangrove traps the sediments that ensures ambient water quality for the coral reef ecosystem to thrive. Also, the mangrove act as an abode to avian biodiversity. Further, the undisturbed blue ecosystem ensures good fishery potentials. Mangroves sequestering carbon, thus reducing the regional atmospheric temperature. The mangrove releases abundant oxygen to the atmosphere. Evapotranspiration aid in maintaining hydrological cycle, resulting in copious amount of rainfall. Due to the abundant fishery potential, there is a hype in the economy generated by capture fishery, thus ensuring the livelihood of the rural economy and national GDP. Industrialization and urbanization led to the massive destruction of mangrove, resulting in poor coastal water quality, leading to the death corals as well. Further, there is a violation of coastal zone regulation, increasing the vulnerability to coastal disasters like cyclones, storm surges, tsunamis, and coastal flooding. Importantly, the biodiversity is lost, resulting in the loss economy. Atmospheric oxygen depletion and increased carbon dioxide levels are imminent. Also, island heat effect. But severe damage is inflicted due to these disasters to the ecosystems, like physical damage, siltation, prolonged submergence. However, mangrove and corals are resilient to natural disaster but time-consuming. Accelerated restoration is the need of the hour, not only for combating coastal disasters, but combating climate change. A recent study indicates that 1 hectare of mangrove forest would sequester 1,000 kilograms of CO2 and expel 730 kilograms of O2 a day. Zhu and Yang, 2022. Another study by Manoj et al., 2024, conducted in Kanna, Kerala, articulates that 250 tons of carbon is sequestered per hectare and highest amongst other ecosystems. Local communities can generate revenue by marketing equivalent carbon credits to carbon sequestered. Vera, 2021. Plan Vivo, 2022. Further, mangrove afforestation has been recognized as a potential candidate for payment for ecosystem services. Locatelli et al., 2014. Conservation mangroves and corals reefs vital for the sustenance of the coastal communities, having bountiful of advantages. Thank you.